Hey, if you're watching this video, you've probably received a Covert Instruments FNG lockpicking set. Don't ask me what FNG stands for because I'm too young to know that. However, I am going to be showing you how to use this silly little thing and teach you the basics of lockpicking using this beginner set. Starting off, when you open the box, you'll see a clear lock and a little cleared tube with 3 different tools. These tools are the L-shaped turning tool, single pin pick or hook, and the rake. First, let's talk about the anatomy of a lock. Most locks contain a rotating cylinder with a slot for a key and usually between 4 and 6 stacks of pins and springs that feel for the shape of the key. When the correct key is in the lock, the pins align and allow the cylinder to turn. When the wrong key, or no key, is in the lock, the pins are out of alignment with the top of the cylinder, jamming it up so it can't turn. That being said, the goal of picking a lock is to align all the pins so that they're in a straight line. If I just stick something in there and push on the pins though, the springs just push the pins back down and I don't get anywhere. That's where the tension tool comes in. The tension wrench is the part of the kit that does the magic. By putting the long end of the turning tool into the bottom of the keyway and applying light tension to it, I can make the pins stick in the correct position. Just go in with your hook, move the pins around, and as they set in the correct position, you'll feel tiny little clicks as they drop into place. Each lock will have an order in which the pins will bind, and you just figure out that order systematically. Once you have all of them set, the lock will just pop open. If you want, you can also use the rake, which will make the process a bit faster since it basically does the picking for you. It just throws a bunch of chaos in the lock and the binding order happens on its own. This is usually the fastest way to open easy locks. You'll get tired of your clear lock pretty quickly, but once you can reliably open that without looking, you can move along to locks that you get in Home Depot where you can't see what's going on inside. This will open the exact same way, but you have to visualize in your head what's going on inside while you're developing your technique. Once you have some muscle memory, these will fall just as quickly as your clear lock does to your new skills. Have fun with your beginner lockpicking set. I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoy your new superpowers. Just don't open anything that's not yours. See ya!